Welcome, friends. Thank you so much for stopping in. Hope you're having a blessed and prosperous day. Friends, as I take you along with me, I bought a outside door rug, and these are one that you can put your own design on, and it was only $5. So I'm gonna do this on my circuit machine on today. So I'm really just learning how to do this. I'm an amateur at this. I've never tried this before, so some trial and error. So I did order a larger mat so that it can hold the letters, and I think it's a 12 by 24, but I got it from Amazon, and you get 3 for $19. So here I am weeding out the word Smith. Now I am going to put our last name on our doormat. And you have to really take a little time to weed this out. And what I did, guys, I used some Reynolds Wrap freezer paper, and it's so much easier. And I will leave the link in my description box to the lady that I saw who was doing this. Her name is Jennifer Maker, and she teaches you so much about doing your circuit machine if you're new. And like I said, trial and error. So guys, check out her video. And this came out pretty good. But like I said, with this being that I'm an amateur, there's some trial and error and some things I've learned to do and some things I've learned not to do. So I decided to show it to you anyway. So just in case, you might try this and you're trying not to do as much errors as I did. The reason why I use the Reynolds Wrap freezer paper because it's so much cheaper, and especially if you're an amateur like I am, trial and error, you don't want to waste any of your vinyl or anything that you buy expensive. So guys, thank you so much for watching this. And if you decide to try this and you use this type of paper or any type of paper to make a stencil, please just take your time. You're going to have to take your time and lift this so that you don't damage it. So that's why I'm just trying to take my little time and lift this. Friends, this is a collaboration video with the Grace Life DIY channel, Miss Anna, and Anthea's Adventure, Miss Courtney, and this is open every Saturday once a month. And if you would love to join, just get in touch with these ladies and we would love for you to join. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and please watch the other participants. So friends, there are some things you have to do, but I had to try to pin it down with what I had or tape it down, but I did use spray paint. So trial and error. So I said I was going to try spray paint on what I had, and which overall it did came out beautiful. So here I just want to show you just a little demonstration of me using the paint, but like I said, it came out overall pretty good. But the next time I think I'm going to try to use some outside acrylic paint or black paint and try it that way. But overall, I was surprised it came out as good as it did. Overall, it didn't came out too bad. I like that it did came out Smith established 2011. But next time I am going to make sure I use push pins, those bobby pins, and make sure it's flat when you do this, or use that paint or acrylic outside paint. But overall, for the first time, it wasn't too bad. And I also accidentally sprayed the black paint when I thought I was spraying the clear coated paint to cover it and seal it, but mistakes do happen. So friends, the second project I'm going to do is make a swag for my door, and I'm going to use some flowers I already had that I purchased from Walmart. And I'm telling you, Walmart have really reasonable floral flowers. And I had to get some floral wire from the Dollar Tree on today. And I'm telling you, Dollar Tree got some beautiful flowers. I was so surprised. So I'm going to use my greenery, the ukuleles, and some of the white flowers here today. And all this is just going to be something very simple. So I'm just going to tie this together to secure it and just make it easy. And trust me, this is so very simple to do. I found this on YouTube, and I wanted to do a swag, nothing, overwhelming, but I like keeping things simple and easy so I can always remember how to make it and always try to reuse my flowers. Here I'm just going to use a wire cutter and cut the stems off of all of my flowers. That's all I did was just put it together, inside of my greenery flowers. And that's it, guys. And if you want this more secure, you can always hot glue it in there. Now, some of the pieces I may have to go back and hot glue it, but on the end, I'm going to still wrap some more floral wire around it. So that's it. So it's really easy. So I really did secure it with some more floral wire to make sure it holds together. And I did add a whole lot more greenery to the bottom. So really this is the finished look, and the final thing I have to do with this is just add the bow. Friends, I want to thank you so much for watching today. I hope you got an inspiration. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I also want to thank the ladies of Elegance for presenting this sophisticated Sadie's collab videos. So friends, hope y'all will join us back again next month. And I hope y'all enjoy my video. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a blessed and prosperous week. Love you from Penny. God bless you, and bye-bye.